to buy Nasdaq on Etrade. The process is straightforward and quick. Begin by opening the Etrade website and logging in with your user ID and password. Next, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Nasdaq and select either the Nasdaq stock or ETF from the search results. This will take you to a new screen where you will see a Buy option at the top. Click on this to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter the investment amount you wish to invest in Nasdaq, which should be entered in the designated field. After entering the amount, click the Preview button. A confirmation screen will appear. So ensure you have entered the correct amount and selected the right stock before clicking the Place Order button. Once this step is complete, your Nasdaq purchase will be finalized in your Etrade account. The entire process is relatively simple, and following these steps should result in a successful transaction.